Okay, so today we're traveling from Cancun in Mexico over to San Jose in Costa Rica. We just stayed in a hotel overnight in Cancun, just for the one night from where we were staying in Playa. But yeah, we're really looking forward to it. We're going to a really nice looking co-living place that has like yoga and permaculture gardens and stuff like that, so it's really exciting. But yeah, we'll show you when we get there as well. So, let's go. Okay, so we tried TGI Fridays, but we looked at all their menus and there was absolutely nothing we could eat. Not even French fries on their menu or even juices, so we're going to probably get some snackages downstairs, but that's a shame, isn't it? There's absolutely nothing.
I know your thoughts are about me. I can go through it all no matter what. It's over me, way beyond me.
So we finally found some food we could eat. What do you think, Bethan? Is it a good choice?
It's a good choice.
Just veggies and rice and spring rolls without egg, which is good.
I did check 5 times.
Yeah, we checked loads of times and he was like, yes, you just asked that. Yes, you just asked that.
English and Spanish and Spanglish.
Cause now I know that I still look at us like before. There's something beyond this open book, and maybe we can go further than we used to go. Cause now I know we used to go. Cause now I know that we belong.
Okay, so no flight would be complete without some snacks. So what did I stash away in my pocket? Okay, so first of all we've got this sort of cherry nut soya mix. Then still. Some relatively healthy snacks. Okay, so we've arrived in San Jose. We're trying to find where we get the Uber from, but it's raining. There's Bethan.
I feel like I've been here before, familiar with the view. This ain't nothing new. And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old tide, blinded by the lights. And I'm going through changes, but it's easier with you. I'm going through changes, and so are you.
Okay, so we've just arrived at the accommodation and Bethan's going to bed, it looks like. But I'm just going to take a little walk around and show you what this place looks like. It's pretty cool with like a yoga space, nice shared sort of kitchen area. But yeah, I'll show you around. So for the bedroom, there's a bed, desk, loads of shelves, bathroom, proper wardrobe, which we will unpack because we're going to be here for 5 weeks. See you later. Right, let's have a little walk around. Okay, there's bathrooms in here, I'm not going to show you that. In here is a yoga shala space, which is really cool. I really love it. And then I'm going to continue walking this way, around and around. Okay, let's go back to the room. Snack. Okay, so you would have just seen the cool little sort of seating area and sort of the dining area. I didn't go in the kitchen because someone was in there, but again, it's a nice usable space. So if you're ever in Costa Rica and in San Jose, this is the place to come. I'm gonna put the name up on the screen now. But we're gonna go and do some shopping shortly, so I'll probably take you with us for a little while longer when we go get some shopping, see if we can find a SIM card, but that might be a bit harder. And then I think we're probably gonna have a bit of an earlier night again tonight, once we've cooked a bit of food. But I'm gonna keep you with us until we're done. What do you reckon, Bethan? Should we keep them with us? Yes. Okay, see you in a minute.
A ella le gusta gozar y vacilar, yeah. Con unos traguitos de Fernet, se la da toda la timidez. Pasarlo, no solo tal vez.
Okay, so we did some shopping at the supermarket and we found a sloth bag, which is for our stuff. And then we got some bananas, some Italian herb pasta sauce, some chia seeds, some garlic, some gluten-free pasta, big bag of rice, some chickpeas and some sweet corn. And let me show you what we've got in the fridge. Okay, and in the fridge we've got some iced tea, some soya milk, some orange juice, some big tomatoes, some carrots, a single pepper, some salad mix, and some green beans. And I'll work it out and tell you how much that cost in a minute. Okay, so I've done a bit of a calculation. So it wasn't a terrible shop, but it was still obviously not that big of one. But that came to about £26.50 in total. But that did include like the bigger bag of rice and stuff. I'm going to do a bit of a calculation now just to myself to see sort of what items are a bit cheaper and what items might be a bit more expensive, so we can sort of be a bit more careful while we're here. But yeah, we're going to cook some food soon and chill out. Are we going to carry on? Are we going to take them with us for the rest of the day?
What happens?
Yeah, we'll see what happens, and I'll just show you some clips from now, and then we'll say goodnight just before we hit the sack. All right? See you again soon.
Un traguito de Fernet pa' la gata en la barra. Te vi por internet en una playa en Nicaragua. Ese buffet sí está gourmet, pero lleno de piraña. El río está movido, que está nada las arañas. Por eso que tú te acercas a mí. Me gusta mi actitud, como te hago reír. Me encanta cómo besas, cómo me haces sentir. Eres especial, eres sola pa' mí. Y si nos vemos en Bahamas, ahí no hay nadie que nos daña. Una copa de madrugada, ya lo saben, tú mi reina y yo tu rey. Estamos listos en Bahamas. Aquí hay bellas madrugadas, romantiqueo en la playa.
All gone.
Okay, so we've had quite a long day of it, traveling from Cancun to here in San Jose. We've done our shopping, which will hopefully last us a day or two, although I think we might go out again tomorrow. Watch our Instagram for that. But yeah, we've had some nice food. Had a little bit of a shock, obviously, when we saw the price in the supermarket and did our little calculations. But, you know, our health is the most important thing, so we'll eat well. But I think that's probably it now. We're going to watch a little something on TV. But I think that's probably the time of night where we have to say goodbye. So, where's Betty? Okay, so don't forget to look after yourself,
And our beautiful planet.
and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far.